Introducing AI Make Machining Suggestion, available within NXX. With this feature, users can select a single face, and the system then provides AI-generated machining suggestions, detailing operations, tools, and cutting parameters. This automates toolpath creation, saving time and effort. To use this feature, the selection filter needs to be set to face. After selecting any face, the user can right-click on the face to find the Make Machining Suggestion feature. The feature can also be added as a button to the home ribbon if needed. After triggering the option, feature recognition is initiated. With the Automatically Generate AI-based suggestions toggle enabled, the feature information will immediately be processed. NX then provides machining suggestions that include recommended toolpaths and tools alongside specific parameters such as cut pattern, step over, tool diameter, etc. Next to AI-based suggestions, NX also provides a rule-based suggestion. Hovering over the feature description will display the dimensions of the feature that was recognized. Users can provide feedback on the suggestions, which will help Siemens to optimize this feature and improve quality in future development. Now, the user can select the suggestion they like most and click OK. This will create and generate the suggested machining operation, including all suggested operation parameters, and retrieve the tool from the library. The same process can be repeated for other features of the part. For this feature, the minimum corner radius is 1 mm, but the diameter of both suggested tools is 4 and 6 mm. When we visualize the operation, we can see that the tool is indeed too big to machine the corners, but quite small for removing the body of material. Therefore, as some suggestions may not always be ideal, there is another aspect of this workflow that can improve the quality of the AI-based suggestions. Go to Menu, Tools, Make Machining Suggestions, and click on Import Historical Data. Select a folder with previous part files in it. These files will now be scanned for machining features. If they have machining features, NX will extract and analyze the operations, tools, and parameters used in these files. Notably, Make Machining Suggestion uses the tools from the user library. This means that users who leverage historical data will notice that their own tools are being reflected in AI-based suggestions. Any information extracted from the historical data is stored only for the user, and the part files stay local. The data will only be used to extend the input prompt for the AI. After importing historical data, the Make Machining Suggestion results should reflect the way in which the user has programmed operations in the past. As you can see, the results are now called personalized suggestions instead of augmented suggestions and yield improved machining results. The second suggestion fixes the former issue by applying the same operation with two different tools. As you can see, the main body of material is now removed efficiently, and the smaller tool is able to reach the corners of the feature. Lastly, we will generate another suggestion for this pocket to show how the AI suggestions can be standardized and expanded on by users. This is important because even when leveraging historical data, users likely still want to make small changes to the tools and operations. For example, the first useful change here would be to move the first process, which roughs out the pocket to the 3 mm tool, and change the engage type to plunge. For the second operation, we will change the strategy to ramp by depth, set depth per cut to 1 mm, and change the engage type to plunge as well. This way, we have customized the tools and operations based on the AI suggestion to quickly program an optimized machining process. With these modifications in place, users can go to Geometry View and right-click the feature group which contains the modified operations. Go to Object, Add as Suggestions. This will add the configuration to the rule library. Now, after activating the Make Machining Suggestion workflow for the identical feature on the other side of the part, the Rule-Based Suggestion tab will feature the suggestion that was just saved. This shows how the AI-based suggestions can complement the rule-based suggestion workflow and vice versa. AI Make Machining Suggestions aims to streamline machining workflows, saving users time and effort. It also allows users to incorporate their own historical data to influence the AI's suggestions, helping ensure the output reflects their programming style. This feature enhances existing feature-based machining capabilities.